All right, welcome everybody. It's PJ Trades, and today we're going to be talking about the conditions of the market and sort of just doing a little bit of a market analysis and specifically focusing on Solana. So, as you can see here on the top right, it's Sunday, February 2nd of 2025, and as we can see, there's been a pretty big dip in Solana. So this is just the past one day, but if we go to something like the past 7 days, we can see this huge sort of dip. If we go to a month, it's a pretty big dip after things just going up and up. Even if we look across the year, like this is a very noticeable dip. And so this has obviously resulted in a very big impact on meme coins. And as soon as anything sort of happens to the market, especially when Solana is down, things start to get sort of rough in the meme coins market. And so if we just take a look here at Dex Screener, which is probably the tool all of you guys are most familiar with if trading meme coins. And so if you don't know much about it, definitely do hop on Dex Screener and just try to navigate things. It's a very useful tool once you start to understand trading meme coins and stuff like that. And so if we just sort of click into some of these top coins here, of course, then everything's pretty much down today. Very much down here. Down, down, down. And then specifically, since we've been talking a lot about the Robinhood coin, we can also see across let's just pull this back a little bit. But this was sort of the first peak of Robinhood. This was the second peak. And ever since, it hasn't been able to grab the same traction. However, ever since we've reached sort of this top point over here, the market has gotten a lot worse. And so it's sort of natural that the Robinhood coin suffers a little bit. However, this poses a very, very good chance to buy into the Robinhood coin. And I've uploaded a couple of shorts just talking about the Robinhood coin if you guys haven't checked that out already. But overall, this coin will definitely shoot up once the market starts to recover. And so this is looking like a very good and stable buy. Moreover, as you can see over here down near the holder section, we can see that there's 63,000 holders, which is actually making this one of the most stable Solana coins, which is quite surprising. And so there's a lot of potential in this coin. So if you do have some money to spare and you are in the meme coin sort of market, then definitely buy some Robinhood at this price. You're not going to see these prices for a very long time. And so sort of just talking about more about the market, we can see that of course the meme coins are all sort of down, but then returning back to sort of what we're seeing with the Solana. What's sort of the future of meme coins? What's sort of the future of Solana? Well, there's a lot of different opinions sort of going around, but honestly, the person I sort of have been leaning towards trusting the most here is surprisingly Scottie Pippen, a basketball player, and he claims to know the owner of Bitcoin, and so he's been very, very bullish, and he's actually predicted things pretty correctly so far. And so even in this market, a lot of tweets are sort of going out from Scottie Pippen, and he's sort of just being extremely bullish about Solana, not just Solana, but Bitcoin and crypto market in general. And so I definitely do think that because he's bullish about those things, Solana will recover. And to be fair, so far it has just been sort of free falling. If Solana does fall lower than around 170, I don't think it's going to be able to come back. But if it does hold strong around 170, stays a little bit above that, and even if it hits 170, if it stays pretty strong around that price, then it's very, very good news for the crypto market. And as we know, in all markets, in all sort of conditions, all sort of times when crypto is sort of running, there will be these pullbacks. And in these moments, it's very important to realize that this is where sort of the people that are getting scared, they don't know much about crypto. This is exactly where they're getting shaken out. They're losing faith. However, as we know from the past, there will always be a dip, but when everything is looking bullish. But after that dip, that's really when things start to take off. And so I really do think that March, April, May, maybe later half of March, I'm not too sure. This is just me giving my 3 cents on it. No one really knows what's going to happen, but I do think April and May are going to be huge months for crypto, and we're going to be going up and up and up. And so for sure, definitely save this video for later, and definitely save some of these thoughts that you see in this video, and sort of keep them with you as you move forward with trading meme coins. As you know, meme coins is always a volatile market, but when the market is specifically down, sort of like it is right now, you don't really want to buy things, especially because sort of when the market goes down, there's a lot of more dangerous coins, as to the fact that people are trying to look to rug pull a lot more. And so I wouldn't really buy many coins when the market is down this low. In terms of meme coins, it's a very good time to buy altcoins on Ethereum if you want to take the safer route. But as you know, we're trying to make it out the trenches, and I'm trying to get you guys to be able to make it out the trenches as well. And so if you want to buy meme coins, this isn't particularly the chance, but of course, the hood coin is the only coin that I would currently recommend in this market to buy. This coin will definitely shoot up. And this is sort of the only viable option right now. It's the only coin that's sort of been holding pretty strong for at least since this morning. 8-9 hours. It has dropped quite a bit throughout the night, but that's because of the Solana crash. However, this coin will recover, and we are definitely going to the moon. And so please make sure to buy your bags. And honestly, this is all about conviction. Don't put your complete faith in my words. Do your own research. Everything I'm saying in this video is not financial advice, but rather it's just my 3 cents on the crypto market. And this is what a lot of people are also reciprocating. And so I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the news that I'm hearing, and also what I'm particularly thinking about the market. And so for sure, just make sure to be out there, do your research, and be safe. But other than that, that sort of concludes my video on sort of the market, my thoughts on what's sort of going on and where we're sort of going in the future. The future is extremely bullish. This is a perfect entry for a lot of altcoins, also for Robinhood coin. And also, if you want to buy Solana, then you can definitely take a gamble there. I do think it will go still a little bit lower, but if it does go lower, it's a pretty good spot to buy. But once again, it's not financial advice. Do what you think is the best. And yeah, that's it. It's PJ Trades, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.